What's up, everybody? This is Danny from Valve Solutions. Today we got a 2015 Subaru Legacy with Smart Key. What we did is a factory integrated remote start with Smart Start. So just like all the others, able to control it off the factory remote. Go ahead and lock 3 times. With that confirmation, see the lights, give it a second to start. There you go. It's going to run for 20 full minutes. After that, it will shut itself off. Now, of course, like I mentioned, it does also, we did also hook up Smart Start, so the customer is able to start his vehicle from anywhere in the U.S. using his smartphone. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, give us a call. 708-538-8008. Visit our website, valvesolutions.com. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.